Hi folks, this is Ed, Mr. C's Auto Mart with a new arrival. Beautiful 2016 white Toyota Tundra Limited. Double cab, four-wheel drive with the 5.7 liter V8 engine, 380 horsepower. It's a four-wheel drive with 4 low, 4 high, and two-wheel drive, locking hubs, limited slip rear differential, rear tinted glass, chrome mirrors, chrome door handles, chrome grille, beautiful Michelin. It's got Michelin tires, and it's got these nice 18-inch. Hold on one second. Wheels that are silver aluminum with black inserts. That's right. It's got nice bed liner, spray-in bed liner, tow package. The tow's 9,500 pounds, almost a 2,000-pound payload capacity. It's only got 45,000 miles. We're going to have this for $29,998. Nice black leather interior, heated seats, power driver's seat with power lumbar, manual passenger seat with a height adjustment. You can visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me directly, 708-473-2014. We'll finish up here by showing you the radio app, the navigation, the rear backup camera, your heated seats, nice dressed up center console, and there's your mileage. Thanks.